Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the chapter number 3. And last week also you have done that live class in value education. There you have completed the chapter number 2. So chapter number 3 and chapter number 2 you have already read that integrity is very important quality to have. Always be truthful. And although being honest requires a lot of courage, do not shy away from it. Show integrity not only in your speech but also your actions. So you have already read that how that Ping became a emperor. He was truthful, so there also he became a emperor. So number 3, chapter number 3, it is a grandmother's birthday. Grandmother's birthday, have you celebrated anytime, anywhere? So it is grandmother's birthday. So why it is in the value education class? So you should know that where and when to celebrate and how. So that's why they have given this chapter. Look at these 4 pictures are there. Don't bully younger brother. Bully means actually they are forcing some things to do someone, and also sometimes they are beating, irritating, annoying some big or bad boys or girls like this. Anybody can. So Amin, you did fantastic job in our t-shirts. Now we look like a team. Actually look, there's a smiley they have drawn like this. Then looks, my mother won't be back for a while. I should refill Bruno's water bowl. So obviously you should help your family members, your mother, or parents, or anybody. We should take our garbage with us and leave the picnic spot clean. Whenever you are going for picnic spot or anywhere you are going to the bus, so please don't throw away anywhere to the garbage. You can throw the garbage only in the dustbin. So here, read the story. Hey Shenu, I have an idea, cried Shompa as she ran towards her sister. Shinu asked, what is it? Shompa put her arms around Shinu and said, you know that grandmother's 90th birthday is approaching. Let's plan a party for her. So 90th birthday. So she could not imagine that how their grandchildren they are celebrating like this. We'll discuss with mother, father and all our cousins. I'm sure they will help us in whatever way we want. So they want to celebrate the party, and their mother, father, cousins, everybody, they are thinking that they can celebrate and everybody will discuss. So whenever we are having something in our house or party or some problem or any happy things, everybody should sit and discuss. Then we should have an idea, we'll get a new idea or new plan. So that's great. Let's ask all our cousins to perform a dance routine for her. That will be really exciting, said Shompa gleefully. Shinu and Shompa reached home and went straight to the mother. Mother, we want to plan a party for grandmother's 90th birthday. We want to have all grandmother's favorite things like chips, cutlets, halwa, pav bhaji and huge cake, said Shinu. And we want to call all grandmother's friends too, added Shompa. That's a nice idea. We should start work on it immediately. Mother smiled and encouraged the sisters. The sisters then talked to their father and their cousins. Everybody was happy to contribute in whatever they could make the party in huge success. So here everybody was happy to contribute in whatever way they could make. So everyone contribute means sometimes like this money or sometimes some things like this. Soon it was grandmother's birthday. What a surprise she got when she saw all her friends in the house. And people did not stop pouring in. Actually they were old also. 90th birthday means her friends also is old, and her all over everyone, grandchildren, their friends. So it was a big party. So her friends, all other family members came laden with gifts for her. She could not believe her eyes. Shinu and Shampa's cousins presented a dance routine for her, and also it is a celebration. At the end, grandmother also joined in. After that, she cut the cake to loud cheers from the family. She was happy. So, here one thing can say your sister has been studying really hard for the examination. You know, there is a time evening snack. She has not come to the table. What would you do? Sometime we can help her to give the snacks to their in the study table because she was busy. Not every day, but once we can give. And there, here it's a grandmother's birthday, so you can also celebrate your grandfather's birthday. If also your parents' birthday, you can celebrate, you can surprise them, whatever you can. I'm not telling to make a cake or something. You can make a card, you can give some flower from your garden. That's the enough for them, so they'll be very happy. And sometime all the family member, you can together on that day, you can help your mother to do cake or some things. Then everybody can take a dinner, sit together and also take lunch or dinner, okay? Because nowadays we are not going outside, so that's the thing. Okay, please read the story, and after that I'll tell the meaning and also question answer. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.